This video will provide an overview of installing the Andersen LuminAire retractable insect screen door. You'll need safety glasses, a tape measure, scissors, a drill, a soft cloth, and sealant. Included with your product are the screen housing, the latch housing, screen tracks, end caps, a sill adapter, orange installation clips, a 1/8" drill bit, a Phillips bit, and a screw pack. Before you begin, find the installation guide that came with your LuminAire retractable insect screen door. Be sure to read it completely, including all the cautions and warnings. You can also download the guide at andersenluminaire.com. To avoid product damage, be sure to unpack and assemble your retractable insect screen on a soft, non-abrasive surface such as carpet, a drop cloth placed on your lawn, cardboard, or on a work table. Verify that the exterior brick mold, trim board, or casing is firmly attached to the opening structure and that it is a material suitable for fastening the retractable insect screen door to the door opening. The performance of the retractable insect screen door could be affected over time if it is not securely fastened to the opening. Prior to assembly, remove all packaging except the material securing the insect screen and the orange installation clips. To begin, measure the door opening. To install the retractable insect screen door, you must verify that the opening width, height, and mounting surface are the proper size to install it in the opening. Begin by measuring the width of the door from the inside of the exterior trim. Measure at the top, middle, and bottom of the opening. Write down the narrowest width for future reference. Measure the height at the center of the opening. Measure from the inside of the exterior trim to the door sill. Write down this measurement for future reference. Now, reference your measurements to the chart to determine if the retractable screen door will fit your entryway and what configuration size you will need to use. You will be adjusting the door frame to fit the selected configuration later in the installation. If the opening is less than 31 7/8 inch, consult your installation guide. Now, make sure that the exterior trim meets the mounting surface requirements needed to accommodate the retractable insect screen assembly. The assembly needs a 3/4 inch flat surface on the exterior trim face and a 3/4 inch minimum depth on the mounting surface. Check to make sure the door sill will accommodate installation of the retractable insect screen door. If the door sill does not extend past the mounting surface or does not have sufficient support, product damage or injury may result. If the door sill extends past your exterior trim mounting surface and is supported, no modification is needed. If the door sill is not extended and supported, you will need to add support blocking. Reference the installation guide for additional information. Unpack the housings and screen tracks onto a non-abrasive surface with the side labeled interior facing up. Leaving the screen in the retracted position, arrange the components so the letters marked on the screen tracks and the letters marked on the end caps align. A to A, B to B, C to C, and D to D. Remove the material securing the insect screen. Cut the material along the screw flange to avoid damaging the insect screen. Do not remove the orange installation clips. The receiving tab on the end caps must slide inside the screen track. Product damage may occur if the receiving tab is forced outside the screen track. Confirm the fastener clips on the end caps A and C are in the open position. Starting at corner A, slide the receiving tab on end cap A into the screen track. Make sure the receiving tab fits inside the screen track. Repeat for corner C. Next, repeat for corner B and D. end caps B and D will not have fastener clips. This allows the screen tracks to slide for adjustment to fit the door opening later in the installation. Now, referencing the measurements you made earlier, choose the proper configuration for your opening. Use the 36 configuration for openings 34 to 36 3/8 inches wide, or 32 configuration for openings less than 34 inches wide. If the opening is less than 31 7/8 of an inch, consult your installation guide. If using the 36 configuration, adjust screen track A until the 36 line aligns with the edge of end cap A. If using the 32 configuration, adjust screen track A until the 32 line aligns with end cap A. Rotate the fastener clip up until it snaps into the closed position. Repeat steps for side C. Next, on sides B and D, slide the latch housing until it is securely connected to the end cap. Rotate the assembly so the screen housing is on the opposite side of the entry door handle. Now, with the interior of the insect screen assembly facing the door opening, place it onto the exterior trim surface, with the screw flanges extending into the door opening. Position the screen assembly in the door opening until the latch housing side screw flange is tight to the mounting surface. Using the 1/8 inch bit provided, drill pilot holes 3/4 of an inch deep through the 3 holes on the latch housing into the mounting surface. Using 3 of the number 8 by 1 inch screws, fasten the latch housing side of the screen assembly to the mounting surface. Be careful not to over-tighten. Expand the screen assembly by sliding the screen housing side until the screw flange is tight to the mounting surface. From the interior of the insect screen assembly, hold the screen housing side screw flange against the mounting surface. Extend the insect screen across the assembly and latch. The orange installation clips can come off and be discarded. Verify the insect screen housing side screw flange is tight to the mounting surface. Using the 1/8 inch bit provided, drill pilot holes 3/4 of an inch deep through the 3 holes on the insect screen housing into the mounting surface. Using the 3 remaining number 8 by 1 inch screws, fasten the insect screen housing to the mounting surface. Be careful not to over-tighten. Now, thoroughly clean the door sill. From the interior of the screen assembly, position the sill adapter with the textured side up and screw holes toward the interior of the home. Insert the edge of the sill adapter into the adapter channel located on the screen track. Now, rotate the sill adapter down to the door sill. Center the sill adapter in the door opening. The 30.5 inch sill adapter is designed to avoid the need for cutting during installation. If a wider sill adapter is preferred, visit AndersenLuminAire.com. Using the 1/8 inch bit provided, drill pilot holes 1/2 inch deep through the sill adapter into the sill. Lift the sill adapter and apply sealant into the holes until the sealant overflows onto the door sill surface. Rotate the sill adapter back down to the door sill and fasten using 3 number 8 by 1/2 inch self-tapping screws. Remove any excess sealant using a clean, damp cloth. Now, check the operation of your door. Slide the release lever up or down to unlatch the insect screen and slowly retract it. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your Andersen LuminAire retractable insect screen door. If you have questions about care, maintenance, or repair, call our Customer Care Center at 1-844-813-6664 or visit the help section of our website at AndersenLuminAire.com. Andersen, customer care is what we care about most.